The work is more important than the glory. This is Dr. Brandy Maynard from giftedresources.com. The work is more important than the glory, and parenting a gifted child can be a lot of work. You might not have imagined yourself homeschooling or chauffeuring them to college at 14. Your life may not have been at all what you expected it to be. And you know what? That's okay. Our children are the most precious resource, and it's these times that we really connect with our kids, those times when you're driving them to school. So if your child's on the phone during that drive to or from school, just pull the car over and let them know that you'll drive just as soon as they put their phone away. Then talk to them about life and let them lead that conversation. Find the things that they're passionate about, even if it's Minecraft, and let them share their latest and greatest adventures. Let them talk about their feelings of inadequacy or how difficult it might be to find intellectual peers. Let them talk and become the sounding board that they need. If you're looking for another caring adult to do the same, I would love to come alongside you in this parenting journey as your family's coach. Learn more at giftedresources.com.